Hello! Let's explore together Comidor Timesheet. In Comidor Timesheet, each project member can manage his tasks, hours and expenses for his active work packages. There are two ways to access it. From home page, each user can see how many active work packages he has. Clicking on that, we are transferred to the timesheet. Alternatively, we can click the application menu button, then select collaboration and go to timesheet. To view all your active work packages, just click Fetch. Timesheet unit consists of the Filters section and the Weekly Calendar section. The Filters section can open and close clicking on its title bar or its plus and minus button respectively. The Weekly Calendar appears your tasks or your expenses selecting the respective tab. Timesheet displays only your active work packages. So, keep in mind two things. First, your timesheet includes only the work packages that have been assigned to you. This means that each timesheet is personal and unique per individual. Second, your timesheet includes only the active work packages that have been assigned to you. This means that in your timesheet, you can view only your work packages which are scheduled or running. Not work packages of any other state, such as opened, confirmed, completed, cancelled, paused or failed. For example, completing a work package, we cannot view it anymore. Therefore, in order to be able to add tasks, hours or expenses for it through timesheet, we have to change its state to scheduled or running. For each work package, you get information about the project to which it belongs, the work package name, the respective customer, the work package due date, your actual work hours, and your scheduled workload for the specific work package. We can navigate to the desired week using the arrows or the calendar icon to select it. An easy way to go to the current week is to click on Today. The current day is displayed with light yellow, the rest days with gray, holidays with blue, and the absences with yellow. As project member, you may have already scheduled tasks in your timesheet or be free to add and schedule your tasks on your own. In order to add a task for a specific work package on a specific date, we can either click the Add button of the respective cell or drag and drop New to the desired cell. Adding or editing a task, we can edit the title at the left field, add the scheduled hours if it is 0 at the right field, add the actual hours, select the task type and the work type where required. For the already scheduled tasks, we leave the scheduled hours field as it is. To save a task, we just click outside of its box. After adding or editing a task, we can click the X button to delete it or click the tick button to complete it. Before the approvals of your tasks, you can edit them as you wish. After the approvals, only the work type is editable. Bear in mind that for tasks, the scheduled hours are on the left, and the actual hours are on the right. While at Work Packages info, the scheduled and the actual hours are displayed the other way around. The actual hours are on the left, and the scheduled hours are on the right. Hovering on a date, we can view at the top right corner of the weekly calendar the remaining capacity per day and per week. In this way, we get aware of how many hours are remaining to be scheduled for a specific day and week. Now, let's complete our timesheet for the specific date. At the bottom of the timesheet, we can view the total scheduled and actual duration for each day. To make the completion of your timesheet easier, you can use the options of Copy a Day and Copy a Week. This is how they work. We select, for example, Copy a Day, then we should pick the source day, next we click Paste Day, and finally, we have to pick the destination day. In case that we would like to copy a week, 3 steps are required. First step, viewing the source week, click Copy Week. Second step, navigate to the destination week. Third step, select Paste Week. Comidor provides advanced filtering, helping us to have a manageable timesheet. Specifically, we can view only the work packages for a specific project or customer. Sort them by booking, create date, work package name, most active work packages, which are the work packages with the most tasks, and due date, view only the tasks of a specific work type or on a specific state, as well as hide the empty rows. As regards the work package's expenses, the logic is the same. To add an expense, we have to switch to Expenses Timesheet clicking the Expenses tab. We click the Add button of the desired cell or drag and drop New to the desired cell. Then we can edit the title of the expense, enter the expense amount typing it or using the arrows, and select the expense type. As in tasks, after adding or editing an expense, we can delete it clicking the X button or complete it clicking the tick button. The only difference is that at the expenses we can upload the receipt. At the bottom of the timesheet, there is a sum of the daily expenses. Now you can use Timesheet on your own. Enjoy keeping your timesheet updated.